Well, today I will show you how to find Hollow House in Enshrouded game. You will need the bond key to enter in this place. Well, the first thing you will have to do is to come to Ancient Spire Revelwood Tower. Fast travel, so it will be easier to get there. Now here in the tower, let's create a waypoint here between the mountains. Alright, and let's jump in that direction. Is that way? Alright, let's jump here in this direction. And let's walk towards the waypoint we created. Here we will have to make another jump. In the same direction. Alright. Now let's make another waypoint in this place. Alright. You will have to walk through the shroud. There will be some enemies in this area. Alright, level 15. Alright, let's keep going. As I said, you will need the bond key to enter in this area. Okay. Let's go straight in this area. There will be some creatures, as I said. Alright. You can just ignore the creatures here. At this point, we are almost there. Soon we will leave the shroud area. And we will be able to see the gate. Alright, we can see the gate now. Now just go here. And use your bond key to be able to enter. Alright? Let's check the map. This is the area, alright? See you next time.